I'm on standard Leica. I didn't know I had pause recording. Let me tell you, is it good to have it? Or you want one file and your fingers do this in front of the camera and all that good stuff? We'll go for a little car ride, get my project going. My Bluetooth didn't connect on the last number of videos, and now we have the Bluetooth on. So I don't have to yell loud to the camera, talk loud to the camera. We're connected. So let's get going. I don't like how my shelves look above my desk. So I'm going to get 2 pieces of wood. I might as well pick up 2 more because I may want to do something on the other side as well. And I want to hang my cameras up, know where my Instas are at, know where my DJI's are at, and know where my GoPros are at and my Sonys. I want to make a camera organization area, make things presentable. Oh man, I got what I needed. I only got 2. I wanted 4, but they had 6 there, and 4 of them were no good. And I'm talking about not popular or premium. Oh man. So I'm sitting here and my screen's dimming down where I thought I had everything set to like 90 seconds, and I guess that's while recording and not on idle. Idle shouldn't dim down at all. 30 seconds it starts to dim. That's what I noticed. Well, it's a short vlog. I got where I needed to be at, got what I wanted. I'm not sure if I got the right amount of nails and all that good stuff, but at least I got the things I could get started and redoing my frame the way I'm supposed to, and probably get the size. Just make the right measurements and off I go. I'm Fish and I'm using the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. I tell you, I like my DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro for certain reasons. And on that note, time for me to get on out of here.